All right, so our reaction mixture has been cooled and cooled for about 5 minutes now. So now what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna vacuum filter one more time to remove any starting material that may or may not have, or that may have recrystallized out. So we'll just perform a vacuum filtration one more time. And then what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna add concentrated ammonium hydroxide until our solution is neutral in pH. So what we'll do is we'll start off with a few pipettes, pipettefuls of ammonium hydroxide. Just add it. You can see that it's gonna cause some smoke, so we want to make sure we do this in the fume hood. Stir. I'm going to check the pH real quick. So you can still see it's acidic. You can see there's a slight color change occurring. Oh, let's check one more time. Okay. So you can see our pH is about neutral now. So once our pH is neutral, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take our solution and add it to a separatory funnel. Just realized I don't have a collection flask. One sec. We're going to add it to a separatory funnel, and then we are going to extract twice with toluene. So we'll pour about 15 mils of toluene in here. Just realized I don't have a cap either.
Maybe the tap one. No.
Oh, yeah. There it goes. Alright, so then we're going to do an extraction with toluene twice. So we'll give it a good shake. Then. So as we should know, toluene is less dense than water, so it is going to be the top layer, and the aqueous layer is going to be the bottom. So we'll collect the aqueous phase in this rubber layer. And then we will collect our organic phase in this flask. Alright, so now we're just going to wash our aqueous phase one more time with 15 mils of toluene. So we'll pour this back in. Add the rest of the toluene. Give it a good shake. Alright, so once again we'll collect the aqueous phase in this Erlenmeyer flask. And then collect the organic in this one. So once we've done our 2 extractions, what we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to dry our reaction with, or our solution with magnesium sulfate to remove any potential water that might be left over. So we'll just add a couple of scoops. And we want to add enough magnesium sulfate so that when we stir it like this, we have free-flowing particles. You can see some of it's free-flowing in there. So now we know that our solution is dry. Once our solution is dry, we're going to want to add it to a round bottom flask. Which we can just decant off.